sabo ngokuhlukahlukana sinamatekisi sinento zokuthi yonke le nto inganyelwe unkosikazi ze overseer uthini ngomama amzalayo kufika ukuthini kuwena ngomkhokazi wakho liva lona ukuthi abakuthande ngoba mhlambe ungokuzalwa eMozambique asisebenzi ngeMozambique sisebenza ngeayini lelo ayina la enganeni yabo angijona uphushe ayini le endlini appreciate lo mama loyo give love learn to forgive things ezinye izinto pretends if sathi bezingashiyo kuwena ezinye izinto baze basho bathi hayi yena shema ududu leshangane lakhe ayikona lesilwanyana sakhe sinamandla because umkhwena wenza yonke into kodwa still ukusathuka sabizwa ngesilwanyana ubizwa ngeshangane kodwa wena bafu ngicela uyikhansele le nto le give love to your mother-in-law she is your mother-in-law who gave birth to your wife who gave birth to your children today ushintsha status ngenxa lomuntu esifazane uma akho kuba abort ngabe namhlanje unonkosikazi oyizumba yabo ngabe unonkosikazi oyizumba namhlanje ake sibanike uthando siba appreciate labo mama ngoba sinama anger management amaningi collectively ukuthi umkhokazi wami wazi umkhethela indoda umngami mina umngami angithanda ngoba engithanda umkhokazi wami forget about that give love to somebody who has produced something that has changed everything asibanike uthando ke labantu sifazane sibanike uthando nje ogogo ngempela sibanike uthando pretend engathi wasilutho nane mede lokho ikutshela indaba uthi bhuti mina ngazi ngoba yazi wenza yonke into lekhweni lakho kodwa nje mebehlangene labantu nje bakubiza ngayo yonke into thula kodwa kusala wena give love unconditionally just give love because she's your mother-in-law uyilento iyona namhlanje she is your mother-in-law are something different they're never perfect but try to be perfect because they are not perfect try to be perfect sike sibanike uthando sibone kuzokwenzekani yabo sibanike uthando ubone kuzokwenzekani those are abantu bazalela amakhosikazi ethu kusalela amakhosikazi ethu yabo ngizoba ne trip ebheke eMidrand kunenyanga lenyanga sabonana nayo eMalawi ayike sakuhlanganisa ke umqondo omhlophe sabonana ke sakhuluma ke yaseKharonga kwakuthi ke umuntu umufikana naye ficana naye ku diaspora and also ungamthembi kahle kodwa mase sengiyela futhi engiyaphinde uyangithinta uthi